Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we'll talk about how much repairs usually cost, how easy it is to find parts, and smart ways to prevent future issues. Audi, oil consumption, transmissions, and timing chains. Audis are well regarded for their sophisticated engineering and powerful performance. However, these complex systems can sometimes lead to particular repair challenges. Owners might face issues with excessive oil consumption, advanced automatic transmissions, and crucial timing components. Being aware of these potential problems can help you maintain your Audi and keep it running smoothly. Some Audi TFSI engines are known for consuming more oil than expected. This issue often stems from a few key design elements. The piston rings, designed for low friction, can sometimes allow too much oil to pass into the combustion chamber. Additionally, problems with the PCV valve can contribute to increased oil usage. You might notice your oil light coming on more frequently between scheduled oil changes. This excessive consumption can lead to carbon buildup. Oil burning inside the engine creates carbon deposits. These can accumulate on intake valves and piston crowns. Reduced performance. Carbon buildup can restrict airflow and affect combustion efficiency. This leads to a noticeable drop in power and fuel economy. Catalytic converter damage. Over time, consistent oil burning can damage the catalytic converter, leading to costly repairs. Solutions for this significant oil consumption often involve extensive engine work. In some cases, an engine rebuild with updated piston rings is necessary. Other times, replacing the entire engine might be the most practical option. Regular oil level checks and addressing PCV valve issues promptly can help manage the problem. Audi's S-tronic transmissions offer quick and smooth gear changes. At the heart of this system is the mechatronic control unit. This unit integrates the transmission's electronic control module and hydraulic components. It directs fluid and manages clutch engagement and gear selection. However, the mechatronic unit can develop common issues. These failures often result in noticeable driving problems, such as erratic shifts. The transmission might shift harshly or at unexpected times. Loss of gears. Certain gears might become unavailable, or the transmission might unexpectedly drop into neutral. Complete transmission failure. In severe cases, the entire transmission can stop working. This leaves the car unable to move. Warning lights. A PRNDS light on the dashboard might flash. This indicates a fault within the transmission system. Repairing a faulty mechatronic unit typically involves either repairing the existing unit or replacing it entirely. This can be an expensive fix. Sometimes, a software update can resolve minor issues, but often, the problem is mechanical or electronic within the unit itself. Many Audi engines use a timing chain instead of a timing belt. This chain connects the crankshaft to the camshafts, ensuring precise valve timing. A critical component in this system is the timing chain tensioner. This part applies pressure to the chain, keeping it taut and preventing slack. If the tensioner fails, the timing chain can become loose. A loose timing chain can lead to rattling noises. You might hear a distinct rattling sound from the engine, especially on startup. Skipped timing. If the chain slips even one tooth, the engine's timing becomes incorrect. This can cause severe performance issues or prevent the engine from running. Catastrophic engine damage. In the worst-case scenario, the timing chain can completely fail. This causes pistons to collide with valves, leading to irreversible engine damage. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding these costly failures. Pay attention to any unusual noises from the engine. Regular oil changes with the correct oil viscosity are also important, as oil pressure often plays a role in tensioner operation. Addressing tensioner issues quickly can save you from a complete engine overhaul. Volkswagen, DSG transmission and water pump failures. Volkswagen vehicles, much like their Audi counterparts, are staples of European engineering. They offer a blend of practicality and refined driving. However, sharing platforms and components across the Volkswagen Auto Group means they often face similar maintenance challenges. Understanding these common issues helps keep your Volkswagen performing reliably on the road. DSG issues. The DSG transmission is a highlight in many Volkswagen models, offering quick and precise gear changes. Yet, this advanced system can sometimes develop specific problems. Owners often experience harsh shifts. The transmission might jump or lurch between gears. Clutch pack wear. Over time, the clutch plates can wear out, leading to slipping or delayed engagement. Mechatronic unit issues. This unit controls the transmission's electronics and hydraulics. When it fails, it can cause erratic shifting or a complete loss of gears. Think of the mechatronic unit as the brain of the DSG. If this brain isn't functioning correctly, the transmission can't coordinate its rapid shifts. These issues emphasize the need for regular fluid and filter changes. Volkswagen recommends specific service intervals for DSG transmissions. Following these helps extend the life of these complex components and prevents costly repairs down the line. Water pump and thermostat housing leaks. Volkswagen's 2.0T engines are popular for their balance of power and efficiency. However, a common weak spot across many models is the water pump and thermostat housing. These components often develop leaks. These leaks typically lead to coolant loss. You might notice a drop in your coolant reservoir levels. Overheating. If the coolant level drops too low, the engine cannot cool itself effectively. Warning lights. The coolant light on your dashboard will illuminate. The problem often lies in the materials used. Many original water pumps and thermostat housings are made from plastic. Over years of constant heating and cooling cycles, this plastic can become brittle. Repair involves replacing these faulty plastic parts, often with updated versions made from more durable materials. Catching these leaks early prevents more serious engine damage from overheating. Carbon buildup on intake valves. Modern Volkswagen engines, especially those with direct injection, are prone to carbon buildup on the intake valves. Over time, oil vapors and exhaust gases create hard carbon deposits on these valves. This buildup can cause several performance problems, such as misfires. The engine might skip a beat, especially during cold starts. Reduced power. The car feels sluggish and doesn't accelerate as well. Rough idle. The engine struggles to maintain a smooth, consistent speed when sitting still. Check engine light. This often comes on due to misfires or other performance issues caused by carbon. The most effective method for cleaning these deposits is called walnut blasting. This process uses finely crushed walnut shells, blasted at high pressure, to remove carbon deposits without damaging the valves. Regular cleaning helps keep these engines running smoothly. Porsche, IMS bearing and coolant pipe leaks. Porsche vehicles are celebrated for their iconic design and thrilling performance. However, certain models have specific known issues that can be quite costly to fix. Understanding these common problems can help you prepare for ownership and keep your Porsche running strong. Intermediate shaft bearing failure. The intermediate shaft bearing is a critical component in the M96 and M97 flat-6 engines found in many Porsche models. When this bearing fails, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Identifying the specific type of IMS bearing in your Porsche is crucial. Many experienced Porsche workshops recommend preventative replacement of the IMS bearing. This often involves installing an aftermarket solution, like a ceramic hybrid bearing. While it is a significant expense, replacing the IMS bearing can save you from a much larger bill. Coolant pipe leaks. Owners of V8-powered Porsche Cayenne and Panamera models often encounter issues with plastic coolant pipes. Over time, the repeated heat cycles within the engine cause this plastic to become brittle. You might notice a sweet smell, puddles under your car, or the low coolant warning light illuminating on your dashboard. The solution is to upgrade to more durable aluminum coolant pipes. While the initial repair is labor-intensive, the aluminum pipes offer a permanent fix. Bore scoring. Bore scoring is another serious engine issue that can affect the M96 and M97 engines. This problem occurs when the cylinder walls develop vertical scratches or scores. The primary cause of bore scoring is complex, but it often relates to piston design, cylinder metallurgy, and operating temperatures. Once bore scoring begins, it almost always requires an engine rebuild to fix. It is one of the most expensive repairs for these models, highlighting the importance of proper maintenance and being aware of early symptoms like increased oil use. European vehicles deliver a driving experience unlike any other. They offer a unique blend of performance, luxury, and advanced engineering. While repairs can sometimes be intricate, understanding potential issues helps manage ownership. Proactive maintenance and working with mechanics who specialize in these brands are key. A thorough pre-purchase inspection is also essential for any prospective owner. By taking these steps, you can enjoy your European vehicle for many years. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.